Hello, I'm Chris Davis, and this is the PAS Classroom. Today, we will be looking at the vibraphone, and we will be looking at mallet dampening. Similar to pedal dampening, we are going from note to note and trying to get rid of the space between the two notes. What we will do is we will be playing with one mallet and dampening with the other hand, or we may also play with one hand and dampen with that same hand as we play with the opposite hand. So let's jump right in and look at some exercises and how to do this. As we practice mallet dampening, we are going to keep the pedal depressed partway down the whole time. And what we're going to do to dampen a note is simply push our mallet onto the note and depress slightly. You might see a bend in the mallet, and that will dampen the note. We want to try to dampen the note as we play the next one. So if I dampen with my opposite hand, I can play a scale. And by dampening, we are getting rid of the previous note. If you want to practice the same hand dampening, you can think eighth notes, and you're going to strike on the downbeats and dampen on the upbeats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. This takes some tricky coordination, so have patience with yourself as you practice both types of mallet dampening. I wish you the best of luck in developing your mallet dampening techniques. Thank you for taking the time to watch this lesson in the PAS classroom.